Alrighty, I have a really quick construction update for you guys today. I'm going to go over a few things, but first off, I want to talk about them cleaning out their maintenance workshop area. So recently, Wonderland has been putting a lot of work into cleaning up this back area. As you can see, there's got a lot of dumpsters lined up, a lot of their new vehicles that they've actually purchased this year as well. So Wonderland's got a whole new fleet of cars. But the Vortex trains have been moved to a new area, which you'll see in a second. Timberwolf boats are stored back here. But here's the Vortex trains from Kings Island stored under the Kingswood tent. But if you look even closer, you'll notice that the old projectors from Starlight Spectacular are also stored under here, as well as Behemoth's off-season carriages that carry and hold the Behemoth carts. Also, you'll notice a lot of wood. There's a lot of wood stored under here, but I will tell you it's been stored here for ages. It's been here for over 2 years now, the wood. A year and a half. All this season and half of last season, the wood's been stored under Kingswood. This power generator, I've been told by people in the industry, is actually a lot more interesting than I understood. So when it comes to construction projects, a construction company can't actually use the power from the company or the plot of land that they're working on, and a lot of times they have to bring in their own generators to use their electricity for their project. So that was interesting. That was a bit of information that someone in the industry had given me. So yeah, definitely a lot more telling than I guess I clued into right away. So this is probably for the construction inside the mountain. But yeah, not too much going on in the mountain. A lot of the Hanna-Barbera stuff had been cleared out. So that's been done. The mountain does have those little cement cylinders as well. But in terms of Wonder Mountain's Guardian, the bin system is well on its way to being installed. As you can see here, here is the bin system. Very cool. Very interesting that they're installing it so late in the season, but it'll be ready for next season. And I don't know, perchance, maybe Winterfest, but that's a huge reach. So take that with a grain of salt. But nonetheless, that's all I have right now for a construction update. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Have a good one, guys. Bye.